I hit my head. Hey everyone, it's Liz, and today I am coming to you from downtown Boulder City, Nevada, specifically the historic district. Now, Boulder City is about 26 miles southeast of Las Vegas. It's really easy to just hop in your car and take a 30-minute drive down here. There's lots of things to do in this quaint little town. It could definitely take you several hours to see it all. There's dining, drinking, shopping, all kinds of fun things to do. So let's get started. And it is a nice and toasty summer day in mid-June, and the high is going to be around 111 today. Right now we are at about 106 or 107, and it's not even the hottest part of the day. Once you cross under the sign, you will first pass many motels. Now, these motels are restricted to no more than 35 rooms. The citizens of Boulder City had voted to keep growth contained, with the goal being to maintain the small town charm of the city. In 1979, the citizens pushed for growth control and later added to restrict how city land could be sold. Most of the vacant land is owned by the city, undeveloped, and restricted to stay that way. Continuing down Nevada Street, you'll come across the world-famous Coffee Cup Cafe. This was featured on the Food Network's Diners, Drive-Ins, and Dives 3 separate times. So you can imagine this is the most popular spot in this area for breakfast and lunch, and also for their Bloody Mary mix. I saw Bloody Marys galore being purchased at 10:45 a.m. Now, I was there on a Saturday, and let me tell you, there was a long wait. It was pretty packed on the inside, and the people sitting outside were waiting to be seated. And unfortunately, after a 30-minute wait in 106-degree weather, we decided to try another restaurant. And along the way, decided to take a peek inside of some of the other shops as well. We chose Milo's Cellar and Wine Bar for lunch, and I had a fantastic salmon salad with barbecue ranch dressing. There is way more that Boulder City has to offer than what I'm showing you. This video just focuses on downtown Boulder City, but there are so many other things to do and see here, and so much interesting history to learn about, that one video just can't capture it all. And don't forget Nevada's #1 tourist attraction, Hoover Dam. This is all pretty impressive considering Boulder City has less than 15,000 residents, yet it is the largest city in Nevada. Geographically, that is, coming in at 200 square miles. What's this? Hi. What's also interesting is that Boulder City is only one of 2 places in Nevada that prohibits gambling. Now, for those of you that are wondering about the Hoover Dam Lodge and Casino, you're probably saying, hey, but they permit gambling there? And they have a Boulder City mailing address. Well, what a lot of people may not know is that it is located on a parcel of private land within the boundaries of the Lake Mead National Recreational Area and is not within the city limits. And thanks to the Boulder City Public Artscape, there are more than 30 eclectic sculptures throughout the area. The pieces are for sale and are often purchased by private buyers, then donated back to the Artscape for permanent display. And the Boulder Dam Hotel, built in 1933, is supposedly very haunted. All right, and further down the historic district here, there's this really cool store. Look, Aliens Are Us, the flying saucer. Oh my gosh, I can't wait to go inside this store, but in the meantime, look at what's here. Flying saucer, Area 52. I don't know, are you supposed to like stick your head in there and take a picture? Let's try it. Ow! I hit my head. All right, let's check this out. The flying saucer, Aliens Are Us. Is this gonna be hokey or is it gonna be cool? We'll find out shortly.
Greetings, welcome to Area 52, the secret alien base under Hoover Dam, Lake Mead, and Boulder City, Nevada.
All right, let's go check it out. Oh, check this out. Okay, so this is on the corner of Nevada Way and Hotel Plaza. There's this store, it says Western Mexican Center. Pottery, horns, Mexican, curios, leather. Looks fun. Let's check this out. Nice pottery, silver Indian jewelry. Everything is for sale here. Check it out. All right, everyone, thanks for watching another one of my videos. And if this is your first time viewing my channel, I do videos on Las Vegas, Henderson, Boulder City, and sometimes day trips. And go ahead and hit the subscribe and like button. It's about 11:30 in the morning and it is 107 degrees. Thanks again for watching, and I will see you again soon.